leaving blood in the snow and smacking fat men. You mean Santa? That boy's a bitch. He caught my mom Christmas Eve and tried to give her a kiss. For real, he's no joke. The guy don't play. He tried to ride way more than a one-horse sleigh. Laughing all the way, but he's not laughing today. We'll jingle more than his bells. Even the elves will pay. Come Christmas Eve, old Nick Sagana. We'll be snacking on deer, eating Blitzen and Donna. Not a question of when, not even a maybe. Have a drunk Miss Claus say they jingling, baby. Giving new meaning to ho ho ho. Shake that ass, girl, bumping booty in the snow. So watch out, Santa, you jolly old troll. We'll be stripping that sleigh and leave you the cold.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a drop-top Chevrolet. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride from Detroit to East End.
Playing reindeer games? Hell yeah, my friend. Grab Rudolph's horn to see how far they bend. When his nose turns red, his ass gets sent back out to the woods with his faggy elf friend. Oh, Santa Claus wouldn't list me as nice. In fact, he'll have me listed as naughty twice. Not because of the fights of the Christmas gift heist, but because of all the nog I left on his wife. It's time for old Nick to move and retire, or we roast his nuts on a big-ass fire. Yes, I'm that bad. Yes, I'm that crude. I mean, your ass is huge. Lose weight for real, dude. All the cookies and milk, simply quite sick. I mean, when's the last time you seen your dick? I don't mean to throw a fit, and I'm not one to bitch, but every year I get underwear, socks, and shit.